vanilla flavor.
And this is the butter.
One leg, 15,000. Interesting.
500.
Give me
500.
Oh boy, my hand though. Pepper, how you sell pepper? Take. This time to remain for me again.
What no number?
Ask the chalam.
I can live in case another day we are giving one.
Oh, okay, okay. Give you the number. Fish is cut out here. Give me a call.
I said, come for a hand.
How much? 200.
Right for front today.
This one where they scatter now for this market. What's happen? How much did you order?
400 or 500.
You don't come now. Not be 5.
No, better this thing.
Give me 500. This one they go finish. I can check how much will still remain. Because I don't buy my money finish. No, the mango never they come out now.
Next month end.
Next month end. Okay. Alright, no water, thank you.
They
sell the
milk. Today, I need the amount.
Any amount we tell now.
I know the line the price, and if you price our bachi again kitchen.
So how much is now food goat now in the market?
No, those two the same. 15, 30,000.
One leg, 15,000. Interesting. Chicken or dago?
Chicken, you got 15,000.
Still the same. All the size of it. Okay, no one.
These people,
What safety don't come out?
I know. They say I got the muzzle. I come go park 2 times. So they are not a mirror there, but now watch. So the thing we say, okay, far, and we get no people fight.
Yeah, babe. But this market, noise. Everything is just scattered. Scattered everybody. Because during the week, I'm occupied. So this weekend is choked. I'm going to cook afang, egusi, okra soup, and I want to make stew. Tomorrow I want to cook jollof rice with coleslaw and do the banana bread just to get the week ready. So that I know I won't go. This soup I'm making sure is for the week. It's for the month. I'm not going to cook soup till sometime this time is in February by God's grace. So come along with me for the weekend. No, I'm done. 1. Also only 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, I'm tired.
I think go buy the 2 one time.
Nah, so not be only the 2 one time. So what's the balance? Let me transfer. Show you guys what I bought in the market. This is for my banana bread. This chocolate. This is the original vanilla flavor. That's
This
our
is
butter.
the butter. This is the butter.
This is our banana bread pan. Then what's that? So
This is our zuplancy.
Ziploc. Oh, people can see this boy. I need to see.
And this is our sugar and our flour.
Let me unpack. Oh, okay. Oh shit! I need a freebie for me. Yeah. I got this from Catch Food. She added this. This was what I bought my order. Let me show you guys. One, that's like 5 liters of melon. Take a drink. 5 liters of melon. It's very clean. Show them now. Show them Obana.
This is the obono.
And this is dry fish. This is dry fish. He wants to show you guys his own. Yes, so which one brand?
Obono.
This is Obana from Catch Food. Yes. So that's basically that. And outside kitchen items, I restocked my niacinamide to tell you how good this thing is, and it's always sold out. So I have to tell
And
you.
very expensive.
It's not so expensive, don't mind her, but
It's
it does the
not
wonders.
expensive.
It does the wonders. So I
Now
got
I'm
3.
teaching.
So which will shut up. I got 3. I got this. I don't know whether you guys know this.
Wonder
face
cream.
Wonder cream, yeah. All for my baby girl, Gloria Skincare. Very beautiful. She's a sweetheart. So this is nice. If you know this niacinamide, comment in the comment section. This is nice. It's affordable and it's very, very good. As in, it gives you that baby girl look. You won't want to not to glow in this year. So this is my wonder cream. So this is just basically what I got, and I want to start cooking. So just leave it. I want to start cooking. This cooking is going to be so chaotic, but that's nice. Because these small chickens, they are awake. But these people are awake and I need to cook. Let's see how it goes. Come on, cook it us. Just come on. Cook it us. Okay. Oh God. I need my This is my go-to. What's the problem? Stop that. Okay. Your yogurt is finished. That means it's time to sleep, even though I cannot put this sleep. So bring pepper from the fridge. Bring out, use plates. Bring out like 7. Let me expand it. Also some.
Is this
Normal pepper, red pepper. Where is my salt? Normal pepper, that's not inside the fridge. Let me put this boy to sleep.
Did you bring it like so?
Hey. I came to bed till morning.